Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken salad. First, you'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Grab your favorite buffalo sauce and a creamy dressing like ranch or blue cheese. Don't forget fresh celery, carrots, and green onions for that essential crispness. Make sure you have a large bowl ready for mixing everything together smoothly. Once your chicken is prepared, place it into your mixing bowl. Now, it's time to add the star flavor, buffalo sauce. Start with about 1/4 cup and mix it in, adding more if you like a spicier kick. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of your chosen dressing. Stir everything thoroughly until the chicken is completely coated and looks deliciously saucy. Now, let's add some freshness and crunch. Fold in your finely chopped celery, carrots, and green onions. These vegetables not only add great texture, but also a vibrant color. Give it a quick taste test and adjust the buffalo sauce or dressing to your liking. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious buffalo chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try serving it on crisp lettuce wraps, as a hearty sandwich filling, or with your favorite crackers for a quick snack. For an extra touch, garnish with some blue cheese crumbles or a light drizzle of ranch dressing. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.